Hello AI Cadician. I Shahin Momin welcomes you all to my online tutorial on how to explore AI KTC Web OPAC. OPAC stands for Online Public Access Catalog. So what is Web OPAC? I'll give you a very small example. Whenever you go to the restaurant, they give you the catalog of the items which is available in that particular restaurant. Similarly, Web OPAC of AI KTC provides the facility of searching, browsing, and reserving the physical materials available with AIKTC Central Library. It is the bibliographical details of more than 30,000 books, AVs, or CD DVDs, project reports, bound journals, theses, and dissertations, 2,000 plus ebooks, and 2,000 plus article abstract database. You can also do online reservation to the content which is issued to some other students. You can check your accounts, like you can check the number of transaction you have did, your fines or overdues books details and everything. Now, how to access the web OPAC? There are three ways to access the web OPAC. First, go to the aiktc.ac.in website of our college. Under services, you will get links to KRRC Central Library. From there, you can go to the web OPAC, or you can Google the term AIKTC library. And then go to the library website. So these are the two ways from where you will get the link to web OPAC. I'll just click over here, OPAC. This is the main page of library web OPAC. You can search the library contents, library materials. Just type your keywords. If you want to search by, if you know the titles, author, subject, series, call number, accession number, whatever you know, you just type the type and search it. So I'll just type concrete technology. You can select the libraries, as we have 4 different libraries: architecture, engineering, pharmacy, or let it be all libraries, and click on go. So there are total 58 results which covers the concrete technology. The keywords which you have given in the search box will be highlighted by the yellow color. You can refine your search from the left hand side options. If you know the authors, you can select the authors by holding libraries, item type, whether it's a books. There are 23 books, 15 article abstract database, 19 ebooks which is on concrete technology, 1 thesis which covers. You can also refine your search by the location, whether the content is available on general stacks for issue, online material, reading hall, whether the content is available in reading hall, reference section, series, and the topic wise. Here, this is the bibliographical details of this particular book. Title is Exposed Concrete Technology and Design by author Gunther. Edition, material type, it's a book, means print material, and non-fictional books, publisher details, availability, items available for loan, means this book is available in the library. See, there is one more book. I'll give you one more example. Concrete Technology by Gambhir, 14th edition. This material type is printed book, publisher details, and the other titles. Okay. Availability, items available for loan. See, there are total 7 items and 2 items are checked out. If you want more in detail, just click on it. See, the details, summary of the books. There are total 10 books under this title. One is not for loan, means that is available for reference purpose only. And out of remaining 9 books, 2 are checked out to this person. Okay. I'll again go back. So this way you can search the books. You can also do the advanced search. Keywords. Suppose you want the physical pharmacy and pharmaceutics. More options. So I want on books, physical pharmacy, but should not cover pharmaceutics. You can also select the item type. I want books only. You can select the libraries or the location. If not, just search it. So see, there are total 16 results which cover physical pharmacy, not the pharmaceutic. Okay. So physical pharmacy by Agarwal. Total 6 items are there in the library and 2 are checked out. Next, you can on the right hand side, you can see the image of the books. Suppose the book is available and you want to put not available or issue to other members, you can do the online reservation also, and next day come to the library and pick up your books. For online reservation, your login credential is required. You have to log into Webopack. Log in with your login credential. If you don't have, just visit to the library at circulation counter and get your details. Once you log in, you can see your summary, means the number of books checked out on your name, holds, article request. You can also check your fines details, how many fines are there on your account. If there is any changes in your personal details like address changes and all, you can do it from here. You can change your password. If you want to check your search history, you can do it from here. The number of searches you have done on Webopack. Reading history, number of transactions you have done on through your account. If you want to suggest, give a online purchase suggest to your library, just click here and give the purchase suggestion to your library. Now you want to put a physical. For online reservation, search the books which you want to reserve. Suppose I want to reserve physical pharmacy books by Khanna. I'll click on place hold button. So this books, again it will ask for the to confirm the hold. Just click on confirm hold. So this books will be reserved on your name within 2 days. Within 2 days you have to come to the circulation counter and collect your reserved books. So this is all about library Webopack online public access catalog. Thank you for watching.